Welcome to Elliptigo's online support videos. In this video, we will reinstall the rear wheel. You will need a 10mm and 15mm wrench and a 3mm Allen wrench. Start by placing the bike on the kickstand. Then, make sure that you are in 8th gear. The wheel should be facing the correct direction, your non-turn washer should be facing away from the bike, and your cassette joint facing towards the front of the bike. Then wrap the chain around the sprocket and slide the wheel into the frame dropouts. Make sure your non-turn washers are facing the right way and note that they are color coordinated per side. Now hand tighten your axle nuts. Reinstall both of the chain tension brackets and secure using your 3mm Allen wrench. Reinstall the shifter cable by attaching the fixing nut into the hub and snapping into place, and then pull the cable to set it into the cassette pulley. Next, reattach your rear brakes and then center your wheel in the frame. Once you have your wheel centered, you will check your chain tension. You want your chain to be about an inch of play, half an inch on either side in a neutral position. Rotate your drive arms to make sure it's not bound or too tight. Then you can tighten down the chain tension screw. Using your 15mm wrench, tighten your axle nuts. Make sure they're nice and secure. Then, using your 10mm wrench, tighten down the chain tension nuts. Check your brake pads are contacting the rim when they're actuated, and that your wheel is spinning freely and not hitting your brake pads.